Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. So on today's video guys, I'll be going straight to the point and I'll be taking you guys by the hand and walking you through all you need to take note of on this Xenea wallet airdrop that we are actually anticipating for. So a lot of people can do this so easily on their own, but it happens that there are some people out there who cannot do this without this type of guidance. So on this channel, I make videos about crypto and how to earn money in the crypto space without having to spend a dime over it. So right now, this is another version of my video and I'll be teaching you guys how you can be able to participate on the Xenea wallet airdrop. On my next video, I'll be teaching you how you can earn coin just by predicting where the price of BTC will go. You don't need technical analysis, you don't need fundamental analysis. All you need to do is just log in, click, and you get rewarded for each click that you made. All right, so but that will be on my next video. So on this video guys, let's go through how you can be able to participate on Xenea wallet airdrop. It is very simple guys. Just like Trust Wallet, when Trust Wallet was beginning their own journey, they actually airdrop some token to their early users. So the same thing is going to be happening to people that are going to be participating on the Xenea wallet airdrop. All right, so over here guys, you can see this is the Xenea wallet Twitter handle, and just few days ago they were around 100,000 followers. So right now they have grew to 211,000 followers. This means that people are really trooping into this project. Okay, so when you click right here, you can see that they are being followed by a whole lot of trusted people right here, just as you can see right here. And right now over here, the meaning of Xenea wallet is just a normal EVM wallet. Okay, they say it is of course layer 1, and over here guys, you can see they say that peer review layer 1 EVM blockchain with integrated centralized storage for resilience data. So to cut the whole story short, Xenea wallet only, their major aim of existence is just for the storage of data. So if you want to be learning more about Xenea, you can just go ahead and click right here guys on the Twitter handle, which is xenea.io, to learn about Xenea. But the summary of what you're going to be seeing when you click right here is just the meaning of Xen and the meaning of ear, which is what we have right here, like the meaning of Xen like this, okay, and the meaning of ear. Okay, so from what I read, they say that Xen means sending something to someone in another place. You understand, like sending something for someone in abroad. And ear means send it like in the future. I think that's what they actually explain right there, if I can remember clearly. So I actually stand to be corrected. So that's what it means, just to tell you the meaning of Xenea. That's what you're gonna be learning when you go to the website. For now, that's what I saw when I clicked on it. So right now, let's go straight to the point guys. So I'm sorry for wasting this time talking about all these guys, but it's just for you to actually learn more about these. So for one other thing I needed to take note of is this layer 1 right here. You know, layer 1 actually means the people that are actually building something from the scratch in this crypto space. For example, when you talk about layer 1, we are talking about people that are building from the foundation. For example of layer 1 is Ethereum. You know that we have Ethereum, which is the pure Ethereum, and we have some other Ethereums like Optimist Ethereum, base Ethereum, and all that. All these ones that are building on top of the other one, they are the layer 2. And when we talk about the layer 3, we are talking about the applications that actually utilizes this layer 1 and layer 2 to actually make their to make their practices. For example, we have a Uniswap. Uniswap is a layer 3. So right now, Ethereum, which other tokens like base Ethereum or Optimist Ethereum are being built on the layer 2, but Ethereum, which is the base one, the foundational one, is the one that is layer 1. And over here they say that this is also a layer 1 project. This means that this is a very nice and interesting project that you actually need to key into. So I'm sorry for talking much. I believe you got educated a little bit if you don't know yet about that, but I hope this actually give you a little clarification about what layer 1 is all about. Okay, so the first thing you actually need to do for you to actually get started is simply go to your Play Store or Apple Store. You go ahead and of course search for Xenea wallet. Very simple guys. So search for Xenea wallet, or you can go ahead and click the link on my on the video description of this video. So when you click the link, it's going to be taking you to over here where you need to simply click right here to actually get started with this link. I'll be dropping the link on the video description box. Okay, so right now let's get started. So when you click over here guys on the link, let me show you guys where it's going to be taking you to. Okay, so right here guys, this link is going to be opening up a brand new website for you, just like this one right here guys. So pay close attention. So to register on this project is very simple. All you need to do is simply, you can see the ref code will be here automatically, or you need to simply click on this box right here to check it. Then you click on continue with Google. Okay, so once you click on continue with Google, it's going to be loading up real quick, and it's going to be asking you to select either Apple Store or Play Store. So when you click on Play Store, this is going to be taking you to the app on Play Store, where you need to download it real quick. Then you click on open. Once you click on open right here, guys, you need to input the referral code on the invitation code right here for you to actually get your welcome bonus. So the referral code will also be dropped on the video description, and it will also be dropped on our Telegram channel. So right now, let me go ahead and copy the referral code right here. Of course, this is the referral code. I need to copy it like this. Then I need to head back over here, and of course I need to paste it right here, which is of course the invite code. So you click on sign up if you're actually signing up for the first time. So once you put it, then you have to check this box again, just like you have done it earlier. You then click on continue with Google. So once you click on continue with Google, this is going to be loading up real quick, and it will ask you to select your Google account. Of course, you go ahead and select the Google account of your choice. So right now I've selected this one as my Google account of choice. Then I'll click on continue. So this will load up real quick, and of course this is what you need to do. So right now, guys, it will load up real quick, and you can see this is where you need to claim some stuff right here. So right now, let me now log into my main account. All right, so right now you have learned how you can be able to create your own account. Of course, this is my main account. So right now, let me show you guys how everything works here real quick. Okay, so what you need to take note of right here is, first of all, this is where this is going to be showing. On your own, you are going to be seeing something like or like 1,000 here instead of 2,000. I will tell you the reason why mine is 2,000 very quickly. Okay, so over here, guys, this is where how the interface actually looks like, and there are a couple of things you need to take note of right here. You can see they say tap to get 20 gems. So when you click over here right now, you can see if you join campaign, you win some amount of gem, which is 1 million. If you learn about innovative storage, you then earn some other stuff. I will tell you the reason why you need to come right here and learn in a bit. Okay, so right now, guys, you can see you can actually follow the Twitter handle to get 500 gems, and over here this is your daily reward for logging in daily. Every day you need to log in, you click on claim. This will load up real quick, and you are going to be given certain amount of coin or gems. Okay, right now I've claimed 80, making it 2,080 gems of my total balance. So I will click on great job. So the next thing you need to take right now is simply, you can see you need 80 more gems to start mining. There's actually a mining right here, but you need a certain amount of gems before you can start mining, which I'll be talking a bit right here. Okay, so over here you need to take daily quiz for you to actually earn some stuff. So over here, guys, on the daily quiz, we are going to be pasting the answers to this quiz on our Telegram channel. So if you are not yet on our Telegram channel, simply go ahead and join us on Telegram to start earning or start getting these daily quiz answers. Okay, so you can see this is it right now. Let me now go ahead and start. You can see your daily quiz is constantly updated to current, so don't forget, daily quiz ends in blah blah blah. So right now, let's go ahead and of course give it a try. So I will click on get start quiz. So when you click on get start, you click on start quiz right here, they are going to be loading it up real quick, and they are going to be presenting you with certain questions about this project which you need to answer. So if you have already seen this, for example, you are on our Telegram channel, you simply need to click right here, guys, on this first one, because that is the answer. This is the question and this is the answer. So if you can go ahead and read about this project real quick by yourself, then you can go ahead and of course answer this question without having to wait for the answers to be posted on our Telegram channel, which the link is going to be on the video description box. So right now, guys, you can see I have got 100 gems right here real quick, and of course you can see I've just completed the first day. So I will click on get more gems, and we are going to be taking back. And over here, guys, you can see you need to actually get some code. Example, any events of Xenea that you join, you are actually going to be given a code, which is usually on the Telegram channel, which you need to come right here. When you paste the code, you are going to be given a reasonable amount of gems, which you can then of course add to your balance and of course increase your airdrop allocation. So when you click right here, guys, on missions, we have a lot of missions right here, and for the first one is quiz, which has just completed. And remember, this is the countdown. After this countdown, the quiz question will be changed. Okay, and this is the amount of gems that you get for every event code that you input, which is this one right here, 2,000 gems. And over here, you guys can see welcome to Lucky Spin, and you can do some spin right here to actually win. Let's try it out right now. So over here, you can see to integrate chat tree, you need to input your email of your Chat3 account. So you need a Chat3 account before you can actually talk about this. We are not going to be talking about it right here in order not to make the video too long. Over here, guys, we have the invite more friend. Every friend that you invite earn you 1,000 gems. And over here, if you follow them on Twitter, you get 500 gems. If you connect your Xenea account, you get 500 gems. If you connect your Gags account, you get 500 gems. I'll be making a separate video to explain how you can connect this in the future. Okay, so right now, of course, the third one is of course the mining. And over here, guys, on the mining, you need certain amount of gems before you can actually start mining. Of course, you need about 10,000 gems to actually start mining, but I've got about 2,000. That is why I still need 8,000 more to get started with this. So right now, let's go to this reward center. Over here, guys, on the reward center, this is where of course you see your transactions. And over here, guys, you can see the first one right here is of course my welcome bonus, which I got by using the referral code of the person that actually invited me into this project. And over here, guys, this second one right here is the one that I actually got for actually creating a new account, which is on the beginning of the video while I was telling you how to create an account. I actually use my own invite code to start that. Okay, so right now this is how it simply is right here. So over you can see still haven't linked your Xenea and Gas link account now to get more gems. So you can of course go ahead and link your Xenea account or Gags account to this website called Xenea wallet to actually earn more. Okay, so when you click right here, guys, on setting, we have a lot of things right here. For example, when I click on my profile, over here, guys, on your profile, this is where you see a lot of things. And of course, this is your giving username. You can of course change this username. For example, when I click right here on this dots, then I can edit this username to anything that I like. For example, I will change it to my Telegram username, which is of course crypto smug like this. This is my Telegram username. Then I will go ahead and save it. And right now my username has changed. This is your country, this is your email, this is your IP, and of course this is where you connect your Gags account, Xenea account, and of course Chat3 account. So it's very simple, guys. You can also add your picture right here if you want to. Over here you can see you can add your picture right here, which is going to be showing up on your own. So this is simply all you need to know about Xenea wallet airdrop, and this is the most important thing you need to know, I think. And right now, remember, before you can actually start mining, you need 10,000 gems. Okay, gems are the what is going to be converted later into real token, which is going to be used to convert to your real Xenea wallet token. You understand? So it's very simple as this. So if you have any question, let me know on the comment section, and do not forget to join us on Telegram to stay updated on all things crypto. Thank you for tuning in today. I'll talk to you guys very soon.